Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will discuss the problem Armstrong number. So let's understand what is Armstrong number. Armstrong number of 3 digits is an integer such that the sum of the cubes of its digit is equal to the number itself. If it is true, so we return yes, otherwise we return no. So let's understand with the help of examples. Here we see that n equal to 153. Our output will be yes because of 1 raised to 3 plus 5 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 3 is equal to 153, and 153 is equal to original number. So we can say that this is an Armstrong number. Let's approach is very simple. We trim down the number again and again until we cannot get 0. That is the approach to solve that problem. So let's understand the pseudocode. Here we have a function. Our task is to complete the function so that we check the number is Armstrong or not. So let's start. We declare a variable which is duplicate and we assign the value of n. Now initially we declare another variable sum equal to 0. We check the condition while n is greater than 0. If it is true, so we go inside the body of while loop and simply count the last digit. So how can we get last digit? And modulo division 10. After that I will assign the value in sum equal to sum plus bracket of it last digit into last digit into last digit. So, trim down the number. After that, we simply check if duplicate equal to sum. If it is true, so we simply print yes. We simply print no. I hope you understand this line of code. So quickly dry run the code so you understand better. Here the value of n equal to 370. Now we assign the value of n, that is 370, inside the duplicate. Now initially sum equal to 0. If we check the condition 370 is greater than 0, yes, it is true. So we simply perform such operation and we find the last digit of the number. So sorry, 10 is equal to 0. So here we perform operation sum equal to 0 plus what is the value of last digit? 0. So 0 into 0 into 0 is equal to 0. So we simply say that 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Sum is already 0. So we cannot update it. So again we trim down the digit. 370 divided by 10. So we get 37. We check the condition. Here n equal to 37. So 37 is greater than 0. Yes, it is true. So we go inside the while loop and we calculate the last digit. So 37 modulo division 10 is equal to 7. So here sum, the value of sum is 0. So 0 plus 7 into 7 into 7 is equal to 343. So what is the value of sum? Now sum is 343. And we again trim down the number. So 37 mod division 10, we get 3. Now again we check the condition. So 3 is greater than 0. Yes, it is true inside the loop. So here we say that 3 modulo division 10 is equal to 3. And here we can see the value of sum is equal to 343, and we again calculate the value of sum. So sum equal to 343 plus 3 into 3 into 3. So we again trim down the number. So 3 by 10 is equal to 0. Now again we check the condition. So 0 is greater than 0. No, it is false. So simply we break down the condition and jump for the body of while loop and check. Duplicate. We update the value of sum. Here the value of sum is 317. If duplicate is equal to sum, so duplicate 370 is equal to sum 370. So we simply return yes. Otherwise it is not true, then we simply print no. I hope guys you understand well. Now we quickly write the code here so that better understanding. After written the code, we quickly submit it and we see guys, these are all test cases are passed. So we can say that the code is work fine. So I hope you understand well. Thank you.